Yes, guys. Today we shall try to understand. This is updating the record. To update the record, as usually, the client sends a request like this, guys. I'm going to write two files, guys. One is anything to perform updation. We require three files. One is HTML file, updation data and game through JSP. Okay, updation and record into the database through JSP and HTML. We require one HTML file. For example, you employee form.html and another one is you employee.jsp అనుకుందాం. The client sends a request, localhost, etc. Send a request for double update employee form.html. When he sends the request, we'll get the form like this, guys. This is request one. The same we will get this one as a response. Same HTML form. But instead of create, we'll get this is response one, guys. This is response one. Is it clear? దీక్షిత్ మీకు కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ గా ఫీల్ అవుతా ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ క్రియేట్ వాళ్ళు ఏమైనా వస్తుంది చెప్పండి అండి. విల్ గెట్ ద సబ్మిట్ బటన్ యాజ్ update. Now, what is our requirement means? We need to give the employee details and try to change the name and the salary based on employee number. Try to change the name and if you please log into the password. Use home. Select star from EMP. Table name is EMP. Okay, 102 or 101, what it may be, guys. I want to base if 101, if I'm trying to change 101 details, it should give a message. Zero records updated. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి అండి. There is no record with 101, right?
101.
That's one. For suppose if I'm trying to write 102 instead of Dilip, I change it as Dinesh. 102 will be changed as Dinesh and salary to be changed. That means based on employee number, name and average should be changed. And when the client or when the user click on the end user click on the update button, it should call a what guys? It should call a JSP. What is the name of the JSP? What is the name of the JSP, guys? UEMP.JSP. So what is the duty of this JSP? First step, guys. Okay. Capture the data from form using which object? Second, connect to database. Third, update the data in database based on what, guys? Fourth,
employee number.
display a message to the client. Clear or any doubts, guys, please? Quite similar steps ఉన్నాయా కొత్తగా ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
Similar.
And after that, after processing the JSP will give the response. Whether the record is updated or zero records is updated, this is response 2. Okay, whether the record is updated 1 or 2 or 3 or n number of records, how many records are updated. ఒకవేళ ఈ డీటెయిల్స్ ప్రకారం ఇస్తే మాత్రం what is the response we will get, guys? Zero records updated. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి? Because there is no record with 101 presently in our database. There is no record with 101 presently in our database. You can check it. Is there any record with 101, guys?
No, sir.
Right. Now let's try to write the code, guys. Open the Eclipse. Open the Eclipse. Go to our EMS project. Right click. దిలీప్ చూడండి మీరు ఎక్కడ సేవ్ చేయాలో కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అవుతున్నారు. మీకు ఎక్కడ సేవ్
Yes,
చేయాలో
sir.
కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ మీద ఎస్పెషల్లీ దిస్ HTML అండ్ JSPs ప్రాజెక్ట్ మీద రైట్ క్లిక్ చేసి న్యూ అదర్ మీరు HTML ఫైల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే అదే ఫోల్డర్ నేమ్ చూపెడుతుంది చూడండి. మీ 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 ఎక్లిప్స్ వర్షన్ లో వెబ్ యాప్ అని ఉంది. వెబ్ కంటెంట్ మాది ఏముంది, వెబ్ యాప్ లో సేవ్ అయ్యింది. ఓకే,
Okay, sir.
ఇక్కడ ఫైల్ నేమ్ ఇవ్వండి. emp form.html. Click on next. Click on finish. What I'm trying to do is here, this is not create employee. This is what, guys? Update employee.
Update employee.
Post. This is update employee.js. చూడండి, when we this is not create, this is ఏం చెప్పండి. When we click on update, it is going to call the JSP uemp.jsp. Okay, by using the method post, and this is employee number, this is employee name, this is salary, this is comp. So why you are taking three fields are because based on employee number, employee name and salary to be updated. Okay, so I'm taking three fields, guys. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Shall I write the JSP now? Save EMS, new other employee management system, insert JSP file. Next, give the file name emp.jsp. Next, finish. Import the statement first, less than percentage. What I need to write, Dilip, please say. At the rate. What I need to write, guys?
Page.
Page.
Input equal.
Attribute import is equals to java dot io dot
Java
star,
dot
comma,
io dot
java
star.
dot SQL dot star.
SQL dot star.
Here the title is update record. As I'm not using any HTML, directly I can write outside the HTML. I can write percentage. What is our scriptlet? Percentage greater than. As a part of this, we need to write Java code as a node. What is our first step?
Capture the
Step by
data.
step చెప్తున్నాను. Step capture the data. Integer employee number is equals to integer dot what's enough equals dot get parameter of what is our first field name?
Employee number.
Employee number. Very good. What is our second field name?
Turn to database.
చెక్ చేసుకోండి. అప్డేట్ ఫామ్కి వెళ్ళి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. సెకండ్ ఫీల్డ్ నేమ్ ఏముంది? ఈ నేమ్. థర్డ్ ఫీల్డ్ నేమ్ ఈ సార్. ఎప్పుడైనా రైట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న ఫీల్డ్ నేమ్ చూసుకోవాలండి. ఎంప్లాయీ నెంబర్, ఈ నేమ్, ఈ సార్. ఈవెన్ డయాగ్రామ్ లో కూడా నేను అవే ఇచ్చాను. ఎంప్లాయీ నెంబర్, ఈ నేమ్, సార్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ రిపీటెడ్లీ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ గైస్. ఓకే, ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పినాక కూడా మీరు గుర్తు పెట్టుకోలేకపోతే ఇట్ బికమ్స్ వెరీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ గైస్. ఓకే, దెన్ ఫ్లోట్ ఈ సాల్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు is assigned with equals dot get parameter of. You can also use IntelliSense, guys. Here, ESAL, put in double quotes. But here, we need to write flow dot. This is capturing the data is completed. What is our next step, please?
And to
Getting,
database.
getting connect to,
Database.
connect to database. What is the class dot? Shall I copy and paste?
Earning.
Class dot for name. Delete. Com dot mysql dot cj dot jdbc dot driver. Then connection. Con is assigned with driver manager dot get connection of JDBC colon MySQL colon two forward slashes local host 3306. If there is anything wrong, please say me. It's home username, root, password. That's it, guys. That's it. Clear? Then, please, third step. What is the third step as per our diagram? Update the data in database on for that. Updating the database. Okay. So, how can we update the database? Sir? For we need to write string query update which table employee table set e name is equals to question mark comma esal is equals to question mark. Sir, how you writing e name and esal? Because in the table this is e name, this is esal. So the table column names are e name and esal. So to avoid the confusion, what I am giving the field names employee number e name esal. If you clearly observe the field names and the database column names I am giving same. సో దట్ ఇట్ అవాయిడ్స్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ వేరు వేరు ఇచ్చామనుకోండి ఫీల్డ్ నేమ్స్ ఏంటి టేబుల్ కాలం నేమ్స్ ఏంటి అని కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అవుతాం రెండు సేమ్ ఇచ్చామనుకోండి ఏమీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉండదు దట్స్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ రైట్ మాట్లాడట్లేదు ఎవరు రైట్ దెన్ వేర్ ఎంప్లాయ్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్స్ యాజ్ పర్ అవర్ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ నెంబరింగ్ the first question mark will be taken as 1, this will be taken as 2, and this will be taken as 2. That means e name is a 1, esal is 2, is right. Then please prepare the query. Prepare statement. Some PST is assigned with con dot prepare statement of SQL.
Prepare
SQL is
statement.
present in query.
Q.
The
Q.
query name is Q. After this, you please set the PST dot set string. Sir, why you are using set string, sir? This is question mark 1. Name is 1. Salary is 2. Right. So set string of 1 comma e name because we stored the string values in e name. Then salary float. Second parameter is second parameter number second is
Float.
float. Float is present as a part of e cell. So please write what I need to write. PSC dot
Set
set
float.
float out. What is the parameter number? Salary is float,
Second.
right? Parameter number is 2. 2 comma e cell. This I explained to n number of times in JDBC as well as in servlets also. PST dot for JDBC and servlets, you can revise the recorded videos, guys. Okay. Then this is integer, third question mark, PST dot set in of we can write 3 comma e employee number. Here, last finally, we can execute integer n is assigned with PST dot execute update. Now you can write out dot why execute update is right out dot print of N plus
Records
records
update.
update. End of the scriptlet. This is fourth step, displaying a message. Display a message to the client. We done as per our this one, capture the data. This is how we captured and connected to database. This is how we connected. And third, updating the data. This is how we updated the data. And after updating, last just a message. This is how we can give a message to the user. Clear or not, guys? Yes, guys, please. Right.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
let's try to see this. I've forgotten to write u employee.jsp. U means update. U means update, yes. U, okay. Right. Here also u employee.jsp. U means update employee.jsp. Okay. Save this, guys. Please run the server. Start and open the browser. Open any browser. Your wish. It's based on your wish, guys. Type the URL http. Okay. Our application name is EMS. That means EMS, Employee Management System, right? U employee form
EMPF.ht.
dot అయితే కామా పడిందా dot html. Employee number 101 Venkat. ఒకసారి చూడండి. What is the message I got? Because there is no employee number 101. Okay, so please check over here. How many records updated?
Zero records.
Zero. Get back. 102. Dilip name I'm changing as Dinesh. Some 20,000. Otherwise, some 25,000. 25 pies. Click on update. One record updated. Please check over here. Updated or not?
Yes, sir.
Please talk, guys.
Yes, sir.
This is how we can work in the. Okay. మీరు అప్డేట్ చేయండి ఇంకేమైనా చేయండి ఓకే రైట్ this is all about how to update a record. In the next session, we shall try to understand about how to read the record or search the record, how to work with login.